Hi guys, my name is Bappy Hamed and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, finally I'm having one amazing announcement for you. So many people were waiting for this. Many people were asking me, sir, I want to learn this technology. Let's say I want to learn generative AI, ML ops, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and so on. And many people were asking me, sir, will you publish any course or not? Will you again start taking the live batches or not on any other platform? So guys, finally, I have something for you. So guys, finally, I'm introducing one amazing upskilling platform named Euron. Euron is one of the amazing, fresh, brand new upskilling platform. So here you will be getting all kinds of courses, whether it's a recorded mode, whether it's a live mode, everything is available inside Euron. I'll tell you more about Euron. I will go through the entire website of the Euron, like what are the features actually we have included. And guys, let me tell you, we have been working with this platform. It's been a long time. So we are adding so many actually new features so that your learning experience would be better. And the good news is I have joined this company as an associate manager and data scientist. So here again, I'm going to start teaching guys. So you will see lots of courses from my side. So whether it's a recorded course, whether it's a live course, all kinds of courses would be available. Apart from me, I think you know about Sudhanshu sir. Sudhanshu sir is the CEO of this company. So again, he will be starting teaching also in this platform. And apart from Sudhanshu sir, you will be also seeing lots of mentor actually with different kinds of courses, different kinds of technology. So in this platform, guys, we are not only adding the data science related course. Apart from data science, you will also see like different kinds of domain like web development. Apart from web development, you will also see like blockchain, then different kinds of programming language. Okay, graphics design, all kinds of courses would be available in this platform. So we are calling this platform as a Netflix of education. Why we are calling as a Netflix of education, I will tell you. Because in the Netflix, what you will do usually, you will take one subscription, okay, based on the month, based on the year, and you can enjoy the whole services from the Netflix, right? You can access whether it's a action movies, whether it's a science fiction movies, okay, all kinds of, let's say, movies, all kinds of series actually you can access. So we have made this platform in a such a way you will be getting everything in one place. So if you are in this platform, so you don't have to go to any other platform for any kinds of, let's say, courses. Okay, everything would be available here. So as of now, we have added some specific courses like business analytics, then generative AI, ML ops, big data, okay, data science, Python. But going forward, we'll be adding so many courses here, whether it is from, let's say, web development, whether it is from data structure algorithm, whether it is from, let's say, blockchain, any kinds of domain, you will see the courses here. Okay, graphics design, all kinds of courses would be available here. So we have just launched this particular platform. So we need some time to actually bring the content here. Now, let me tell you about this Euron, like what are the services actually we'll be getting from the Euron. So inside Euron, you can see like courses, books, and projects. Okay. So here we have included actually some tabs. You can see, let's say if I click on courses, you will see all the upcoming live courses as well as the recording courses, okay, in this particular section. So if you want to, let's say, figure out the live courses, so just filter out with the help of live courses. If you want to see the, let's say, newly added courses or like free courses, see, free courses would be also available. It's not like that everything would be like paid here. Okay, we are also maintaining the ratio. That means you will also getting free courses. So if you open these courses and if you go through the content, you will see that we are covering everything. Okay, this Euron platform is very affordable platform. So whenever I'm talking about affordable, so I'm talking about 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. Okay, I'm not talking about 1 lakh, 2 lakhs and all, right? So all the courses, all the live batches, all the actually features you will see here in the Euron, everything would be very affordable. Okay, very affordable. You can go through the courses. You will go. You can go through the features and you can get to know, okay, how much affordable it is. So here you can also filter out. Let's say you need the Python course. You can select the Python. You need generative AI course. You can filter with the help of generative AI. Okay, so that's how we can filter out. Apart from that, you will also see the book section. Okay, in the book section, you will be getting. So in this book section, you will see different kinds of books, whether it is related JavaScript, then Git and GitHub, DSA, okay, VS Code. As of now, we have added actually some of the books, but going forward, you will see that there would be all kinds of books, all kinds of notes. Okay, so it would be free. You can easily get that particular, let's say, notes, and you can revise the content. So whenever you are learning something, so if you have this kinds of soft copy of notes, so this will help you a lot. So whatever you will be learning, based on that, you will see all kinds of books, all kinds of notes, okay, would be available in this particular section. Then you will see something called projects, okay. see, it's not about actually we only need to learn the theory. Okay, it's not about only we are learning the theory, only we're learning the, let's say, tech. We also need to master the implementation, like, because at the end, whenever you are going for any kinds of industry, there you have to be a developer, and if you want to be a good developer, you have to know the project implementation. So we have one amazing section called projects. So here you will be getting all kinds of projects, whether it's a generative AI, whether it's a Python, data science, web development, all kinds of project implementation you will see here. Let's say you only need the project, you only want to learn the project, that time you can come here and you can actually see different kinds of project. Based on that, you can enroll for the project. Okay, this is also fine. Apart from project, you will see another option called live courses. So in this live courses, you will see all the upcoming live batches, whether it's a data science, generative AI, ML ops, LLM ops, okay, data analysis, big data, web development, all kinds of live batches would be available in this section. Because many people were asking me, sir, I have to join the live batches of your class. Okay, so here everything is available. Not only me, apart from me, actually, Sudhanshu sir is there. There would be so many mentors actually. They will teach you with all the concept actually you need to master this particular tech. So please go through this particular platform. I will give the link in my description section, and the link actually I'll share in my description section. You will have to sign up with this particular link. Okay, please try to sign up with this link. And try to create one account. After that, you will be able to access, okay, all kinds of functionality of this website. So please try to go through everything. You will automatically get the idea, okay, whatever things actually we are giving. Now, apart from that, we're having some amazing functionality for you. So we have something called Euron Plus. Okay, now you can ask me, what is Euron Plus? See, Euron Plus is a complete package, because I already told you, we have created this platform in a such a way, it is like a Netflix, okay, Netflix of education. Because in Netflix, you will be taking one-time subscription and you will be enjoying the whole service, right? So in Euron also, you can take the subscription per year, and the price is only 3,000 rupees. Okay, 3,000 rupees, and you can cancel anytime. So if you are taking the subscription, you will be able to access all the services from the Euron, whether it's a recording course, whether it's a live course, whether it's a books, whether it's a projects, okay, everything you will be able to support. Apart from that, we have integrated one amazing functionality called Euron Assistant. Okay, what is Euron Assistant? This is one of the assistant system we have integrated here, because whenever you will be learning, definitely you will be facing different kinds of issue. You'll be getting different kinds of error. Okay, and to resolve this particular error, to resolve your question, you can come here and you can ask this question. And the assistant actually we have integrated with this Euron. This is like very powerful assistant, because if you are taking the ChatGPT subscription, if you are taking any other subscription, at the end of the month you have to pay. You have to pay $20, $30, right? So again, it's a costly. But if you're taking this Euron subscription, okay, Euron actually this plus subscription, so here you don't need to pay for this particular assistant. Okay, you don't need to pay for this particular assistant. Just take the subscription and you can enjoy for the whole year. So it is still under development. We are also adding some more features, like you will be able to upload the image, you will be able to ask the question with the help of your voice. So everything will be integrating here. So we can explore this Euron Assistant. Apart from this Euron Plus, we are having something called Euron Organization. So what is Euron Organization? I think you know there are so many industries, there are so many colleges, there are so many schools, they want to upskills their team, right? For this, they need actually one upskilling platform. So Euron is also providing this platform. So here you can take the license, and this is the price only, very less amount of price. So here you can write your company name and you can write the number of license you need. Based on that, actually, you can take the entire license and you can upskill your team. So for this, actually, we'll try to create a dedicated video like how we can use this particular Euron organization. Even I will also add one more video link in my description. From there, actually, you can check what is this Euron organization and how it exactly works. Okay. Then we have also integrated something called Bytes. Okay, so what is Bytes? Bytes is nothing but, I think you know, nowadays people loves to watch reels, whether it is in Facebook, YouTube, okay, Instagram. People will be watching reels a lot. So what we have done, we have integrated these features so that whenever you are learning something, if you need motivation, if you need, let's say, some new idea about the technology, so you can come to the Bytes, and here you will be getting different kinds of reels. Okay, see, different kinds of reels. So it is not about entertaining reels, it would be education related reels. Okay, it would be like tech related reels, because I know that there would be so many people, they will be interested with the education related reels, they will be interested with the tech related reels. Okay, So here you can enjoy this feature. You can go through this particular reels one by one, and you can enjoy. And we are also adding some more features, like you will be also able to upload your own reels, and you can also make the followers, you can get the likes and everything. Got it? Then there is one amazing features called partnership. So what is partnership? Partnership means you can also make money by sharing these partnership links, because see, all the companies need the audience. Okay, they will be doing the marketing and all. So here you can actually collaborate with the Euron. You can do the partnership. So only what you need to do, you need to actually share this link. Okay, and if anyone is joining this platform through this link, so you'll be able to earn money. So you can check this partnership actually portal. Not only in India, from outside of the India also people can do this partnership. Okay, and they can get the payment instantly. So you can go through this one, and I will also create one dedicated video like how this partnership works and how you can start the partnership with Eurons and all. Okay, everything would be available, and everything would be in real time, guys. You can see like total sign-ups, total clicks on your link. Okay, even you will also see the transaction story. So everything would be available in this actually section. And after completing each and every course, you'll be getting the certificate. Definitely certificate is important. And please try to go through this platform. So many things actually we are bringing in this platform. So please stay with us. Please try to sign up and try to explore, try to share. Okay, link would be given in the description. From this link you can sign up with this account, and you can enjoy our Euron platform. So yes, there are so many live batches also coming. You can explore, like we are bringing new batches like generative AI, ML ops, okay, and project implementation. So many things are coming. So please stay with us and stay with Euron. So definitely you will be getting lots of things, and this will help you to upskill yourself. Okay, and this platform will help you to crack a good job. Okay, this would be my guarantee. So yes, guys, this is the Euron, and finally this waiting is over. Now everything is live. You can explore, you can buy, you can actually enroll. Everything we have given to you. Now it's your choice. Okay, just go through the content and you can decide. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.